Hello students, welcome to our next problem, exercise number 9, problem number 2, projections of planes inclined to both the planes. Previously we have discussed a square problem. Second one, let's see the problem. Draw the projections of a regular hexagon of 25 mm side having one of its sides in the HP and inclined at 60 degrees to the VP and its surface making an angle of 45 degrees with the HP. Repeat again, draw the projections of a regular hexagon, right? Hexagon is the plane which we are given in the question having its dimension 25 mm side. Now coming to its location, having one of its sides in the HP. One side, how many sides each side will have? 6 sides. One side is on HP, is in HP. And inclined at 60 degrees to VP. What is that? This side is one side is inclined at 60 degrees to the VP. Remember this. And its surface is nothing but plane making an angle of 45 degrees with the HP. Right? I hope you understood. Let's take the example of hexagonal. Right? See, this is a hexagonal shape having 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hexagonal shape. Right? You know, the dimension is 25 mm. Having one of its sides in the HP. One side, see, one's horizontal plane, vertical plane. One side is in the HP. With respect to this, one side is in the HP. And inclined at 60 degrees to the VP. The side which is in the HP is inclined at 60 degrees to the VP. Right? Which side? The side which is here. The side which is here, now which I am showing is on the HP is inclined at 90 degrees to the VP. Now that side is inclined at 60 degrees to the VP. Instead of 90, I am rotating it as 60. See now 60 with respect to VP, here the angle is 60. Hope you understand. This is 60. Now, and its surface making an angle of 45 degrees. Now, what I am showing is surface, this is 90 degrees. See, perpendicular here, perpendicular to HP. Now, this has to be at 45 degrees. Now, if you see, surface is at 45 degrees. We hope you all understand this position. Now, first of all, I am taking like this. Now, whatever the side which I am taking on HP, I have satisfied first condition, one side on the HP. Now, that side inclined at 60 degrees to the VP. Now, what I am showing is, this side is perpendicular, 90 degrees to the VP. I am rotating it for 60 degrees. Now, here, inclination to VP will be viewed in top view, which is at an angle of 60 degrees. Now, the surface, plane surface is 90 degrees to HP. For this hand, my palm, 60 degrees. Now, but here condition is 45 degrees. Now, instead of 90 degrees, I am making it down 45 degrees. Now, if you observe, draw its projection means front view. You can observe the 45 degrees with respect to HP of its surface, plane surface. Now, in the top view, the line, right, which is, or the side which is on HP is inclined at 60 degrees to VP. Draw its projections. Directly you can draw, you cannot draw its front view diminished shape or top view. If you observe clearly from front view, it's something hexagon is some irregular shape diminished. Top view, it's something irregular shape diminished. But step by step procedure. We have to remove the angles such that in any one of the view you can able to draw the true shape. Now what I can do is, right, as usual, I am removing the 45 degrees with the HP. First of all, right. Now what will happen? It will be falling on HP. Right. Now in the top view I can draw the true shape. But at the same time, the side which is on the HP, right, here it should be making an angle of 60 degrees to the VP. Now I am removing that 60 degrees, I am making it vertical 90 degrees. Now think here, step by step procedure. In this view, I can draw the top view. In the top view, I can draw the true shape of the hexagon having one side, right? One side on the HP. One side on the HP means, now front top view true shape of the hexagon, front view line on XY. This side is on HP. Now if I make it lifted like this, now if I lift it, you can satisfy the condition one side is on HP. Now what is that again? Right, I am considering the angle with surface. What is that? 45 degrees with HP. When I lift it like this, here I can observe 45 degrees side. Step 1, true shape, front view, Step 2, 45 degrees rotation, top view diminished. Now the line, right, the side which is on HP, it should be rotated at an angle of 45 degrees. Now finally top view, final front view, third step, right. First of all, I am considering here 45 degrees with HP itself, 45 degrees with HP, right, but in the question he has given 60 degrees with VP. Right? You may be habituated or familiarized with the first angle given with respect to HP, and then second angle will be given with respect to VP. But it's just confusing statement, nothing more than that. Now you can go as usual with 45 degrees to HP first, 60 degrees to VP first. This problem. Now if you want to solve, first as usual step 1, XY line. How to draw the hexagon, right? Hexagon, I already have shown there are two styles of drawing hexagons. One is this one, another is corner on HP means we have to follow this shape. Side on HP means we have to follow. Already we have practiced it. So I hope you all remember that we are supposed to follow this one, not this one. Because we are not going with corner, we are going with side. So this shape, hexagon, my lines are not always coming straight. Hexagon. Coming to rotations, I am starting from here so that I can see A, B, C, D, E, F. Top view hexagon having one side on HP. So I have drawn side vertical 90 degrees to XY line. If it is corner means I have to draw like this shape, but we have to follow this one. Now from here, step 1. Front view, looking from here, draw projector from B, from C, draw a line thick, A dash, B dash, C dash. Now here, backside notations, they are which are invisible, D dash brackets, E dash, F dash. Now first I am going with the 45 degrees surface. Why? Because now I have already drawn this one. Now you don't get confused. We have to go through first 60 degrees to the VP. Even though if you go 60 degrees to the VP, this has to be rotated at 60 degrees and has to be done. But for your convenience, just we are going for this problem with the surface and then side, not with side and surface, right? Surface, means whatever the line you got, it has to be drawn at an angle of 45 degrees. Surface, because this is surface, I am lifting it. Take a point on XY line, draw a line at an angle of 45 degrees. On this line, keep distance of A dash, C dash. A dash, C dash. In middle, we will get B dash. Here A dash, B dash in brackets, D dash, E dash, F dash. Now you can satisfy the condition in the second showing one side is nothing but A dash, F dash is in the HP. Now projecting its top view, we will get diminished shape of hexagon from A through C, B, D, E, F. If you draw, it connects. Simple, step by step. So now we are coming at step 2. Pick the intersection points. A horizontal, A dash vertical will become A1. B horizontal, B dash B1, C horizontal, C dash vertical, C1, D horizontal, D vertical, D1, E horizontal, E dash vertical, E1, F horizontal, F dash vertical, F1. Now if you observe, A1 B1, B1 C1, C1 D1, E1 F1, a diminished shape of hexagon. I have drawn little bit small so that I can draw the last step easily. I hope you all understood. Simple one. Next step we have done with this. Now having one of its sides in HP and inclined at 60 degrees to VP. Which side is on HP? Right here, as per this, our AF side here. AF side is on HP. That AF side here in the top view, it has to be rotated at an angle of 60 degrees. See, simple. Initially like this. First step, keeping this side here on HP, rotated at an angle of 45. Now this side which is on HP, it has to be rotated 60 degrees clockwise direction. So this side A1 F1 has to be drawn at an angle of 60 degrees to VP. Now see, take a point little bit distance or somewhere here. Draw a line at an angle of 60 degrees. On this 60 degrees, what it should be? We should have the side which is on HP. See, in the second stage front view, you can clearly see that A dash F dash side is on HP. So top view A1 F1. So whatever the A1 F1 is there, this is to be projected here. Now same way here, box method with respect to A1 F1. Now how to do that? First of all, measure this A1 F1. Try to draw it here on this one. A1 F1. See, this will be diminished. With respect to that, you can draw box. 1, 2, 3, 4. Box. So easily you can draw from A1, measure this distance, you will get here. From F1, measure this distance with the help of compass, you can cut the arcs. Now with the help of drafter, measure this. I have to give notations, means 1, 2, 3, 4. Now from here, take your drafter, align it. Now here, draw perpendicular line of this line 1, 2. From here, 1, 2 length. Same box we have constructed. As I am not having any instruments to construct, so it is like this. Once the box is done, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can see middle point, there is B1, E1. Now from here, whatever the distance is there, cut for middle point, measure the compass from 1 to B1. Now same here, 2 to C1. This distance will be from here 2 to C1, from 3 to D1. See, all depends upon cutting. How to construct your box? Even at an angle of 60 degrees, you can draw a line on that. Try to construct the box first, then go for side mentioning. But I have did first side mentioning so that you will understand which side is to be drawn. So as per that, A1, here I am having B1, C1, D1, E1. You can construct box 1, 2, 3, 4 with 1, 4 on the line. Then you can cut for A1, F1 side on that 60 degrees line. I have drawn first A1, F1 on that so that remaining thing be easily understood. A1, B1, B1, C1, C1, D1, E1, F1. Final top view, 60 degrees. Hope you all understand. Same thing, I have rotated at an angle of 60 degrees. But I have increased some length. If you reduce that length, you will get final answer. Finally, front view projection. From A1, draw vertical line. B1, draw vertical line. C1, draw vertical line. D1, vertical line. E1, F1. 6 lines for 6 corners. Now from second stage front view, right? Whatever this front view, this line. A already we got. From B, C. Same way D, E, F. All the points we have did. Now we have to pick the intersection points to complete final front view. How to pick the points? A dash, A1. Here, A1 dash. B dash, B1. B1 dash. C dash, C1. C1 dash. D dash, D1. Same here, D1 dash. E dash, E1. E1 dash. F dash, F1. F1 dash. Just picking the intersection points. Finally join A1 dash, B1 dash, B1 dash, C1 dash, C1 dash, D1 dash, D1 dash, E1 dash, E1 dash, F1 dash. I'm sorry, I did a mistake somewhere. Done. A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, F, F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here I may get point here, little bit away, so that it will get up to here and there. What I can do here is I can just adjust this. See, whatever that depends upon all of the horizontal and vertical lines which you draw. Finally, A1 dash, B1 dash, C1 dash, D1 dash, E1 dash, F1 dash. Simple problem. True shape, front view, step 1. Second step, incline to HP, top view, diminished shape. Then, third stage, rotating this at an angle of 60 degrees to the VP, finally projecting. Your final answers which should be thick, right? This one and this one. Dimensions coming to this 25 mm side, you can show here 25 mm. Hope you all understand this. See, simple. Don't get more worried about how to draw 3 steps. It's all step-by-step process. Right? I hope you all understand. If any doubts, you can please ping me. Thank you.